Hi, I'm Jacques Pépin and I'm cooking at home. I never think that I bought mayonnaise before I came to this country. Of course, that's half a century ago or more. And now, of course, I buy mayonnaise all the time to use it. But it's nice to know how to do it. Sometimes different flavor and all that. I want to show you how to do it. And here I have one egg. Break it flat like this. Open it. This is one of the best ways to remove the yolk, to do it like this, to make sure that you really separate all of it, including even that piece called the chalaza at the end. So I have one egg yolk. I'm going to have about a tablespoon of mustard here, a dash of salt and pepper. The secret of a mayonnaise very often is the temperature of the ingredient. Your oil particularly cannot be cold, ice cold. Otherwise it's going to break down. And then I'm going to put 2 teaspoons of vinegar. So this is the base of my mayonnaise that I mix here. Okay. Sometime you can put a towel like this around so that your bowl is more secure. And then I would have about 1.5 cups of oil in there. So here I have peanut oil. This is where it comes to be your own taste. Peanut oil, olive oil, and maybe even in that case I'm going to put maybe a tablespoon or so of sesame oil. I could put hazelnut oil or whatever. So to start with, you go slowly. I mean, sometimes I have a thing where they tell you drop by drop. It's not really drop by drop. I mean, I'm going to, you can see here, it won't take more than like a minute and a half to do the whole thing. So here, you can, as you go along, you go a bit faster with the oil. And that's it. So here, probably didn't take me more than a minute and a half, 2 minutes at the most, to do a wonderful bowl of mayonnaise, which now you can flavor different ways. Sauce tartare, gribiche, all of those are different types of sauce that you serve with your mayonnaise. I want to test it. Seasoning is fine, and it's not too strong. See, that's the point. Now here, very often I like to present it in a nice way, this way. Present your mayonnaise here. Leave it like that, it looks beautiful. Or you can get the top smooth with a knife or a spatula. And then after move your knife up and down in a jigsaw fashion a little bit up to here, and that you pick that up to put that in the middle. Or maybe a little sprig of parsley or thyme in the center. And this is fresh homemade mayonnaise. Happy cooking.